Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to restore your Cake Wallet account. Restoring a Cake Wallet typically involves recovering your wallet using the seed phrases or private keys. So here is a general step to restore your Cake Wallet. First of all, launch open the Cake Wallet application. Remember that you will first need your recovery phrases and back it up if you want to recover your wallet in the future. So once you have a chance, make sure to go to the menu button at the top right and then select the security and backup option. Tap on show seed keys and then type in your PIN in order to reveal your seed phrases. Make sure to back up these seed phrases and paste it in a secure folder. Once you've backed up your seed phrases, if you ever want to restore your wallet, then first launch open the Cake Wallet application and agree to the terms and conditions by tapping on the square at the bottom and tap accept. Now tap on the restore wallet button and then select how you'd like to restore your wallet. You can choose from restore from seed or keys, restore from backup, or scan QR code option. If you're using seed phrases, tap on the first restore from seed or keys option. Enter your PIN for your wallet that you'd like to set and retyping it again. Once you've set up your PIN for the account, go ahead and select your wallet currency from the list. After you are done, tap next and then enter your wallet name that you'd like to restore and then enter your seed phrases that you've previously backed up on the next field. Once you are done typing in the seed phrases, tap on restore and you will be able to restore your wallet successfully. Remember to always restore your wallet in a secure environment and ensure that no one else has the access to your recovery information. Regularly back up your wallet and keep the backup information in a safe and a secure place. Only use official Cake Wallet channels and methods for restoring your wallet. So that's how easily you can restore your Cake Wallet account. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.